Alarm not ringing after updating to iOS 26? Here's the quick fix. 1. Verify alarm settings. First, open the clock app on your device and make sure the alarm is turned on. Set to the correct time. When the time you set arrives, the alarm will start ringing. 2. Adjust volume levels. Open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. Now, look for the Ringer and Alerts volume option. Drag the slider to increase the volume. To stop the volume buttons from changing the alert volume, turn off the Change with Buttons toggle. 3. Check for Bluetooth connections. Ensure your phone isn't connected to any Bluetooth device. If it is connected, the alarm sound may play through that device instead of your phone, so make sure to turn off the Bluetooth device if it still doesn't work. 4. Disable focus modes. Swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Check if focus mode is turned on. If it is, simply tap to turn it off. 5. Restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. A simple restart can fix minor glitches, if it still doesn't fix. 6. Disable attention-aware features. Open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode if prompted. Scroll down and turn off the toggle next to Attention-Aware Features. This feature can lower the alert volume when your phone detects you're looking at it, if it still doesn't fix. 7. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. A menu will pop up. Tap on Reset All Settings. Again, tap on Reset All Settings to confirm. This will not erase your personal data, but it will reset all your device's settings. This may fix the issue. And that's it.